Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about boxing and unboxing as and is operator in C#. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with the value type and reference type. In C#, there exist the value types and the reference types. Value types are the ones stored in the stack memory like the int, bool, float, double, etc. Reference types are the ones stored in heap memory with their reference stored in the stack memory like objects. There are cases when we need to cast value types to reference types and vice versa. A similar case could be saving some integer data in a list of objects. So in this case, we need to cast integer value type to object reference types. Okay, now what is boxing? This concept is called as boxing, that is converting a value type to a reference type to be used as a reference type. Consider a scenario: we are having list object and we have an integer value. We want to save that integer value in the list of object. To do so, we will save the integer value type as an object that we can add to the list. Since the object is the base class for all types, we can box the integer to object. For boxing to be done, the types need to be in the same hierarchy. So here's an example. Now we can add this variable obj to the list. So what happened here? The integer name value was stored originally in the stack memory. When we execute the next statement, a new object was created in the heap memory which is referenced cap in the stack memory by the variable name object. It created a reference type for a value type. A new copy of integer was copied to the object obj. Printing the value of obj even after changing the original value printed the output as 5. Okay, now what is unboxing? When getting back to the object from the list as object type to assign it to an integer type, we need to unbox the parent type to a more specific type. To assign an object to an integer type, we need to cast it into int type. This casting is called unboxing. To unbox the object to an integer type, we write this statement. Here we cast the object to int type to store its value in the unbox value variable. In this statement, it uses the object obj to get its value from the heap, and we store its value in the value type variable unboxed value variable. We can unbox the value to integer type only as it was originally the integer type that was boxed into the object type. We will get an invalid cast exception if we unbox it into some other type. To prevent this invalid cast exception, we use the as or is operator. So let's start with is operator. The is operator returns a boolean value. It checks if an object can be cast to another type and returns a boolean value. It returns the boolean value after trying the casting operation. If the casting is successful, it returns true, else it returns false. So here's an example. Alright, the as operator. The as operator returns the casted value if the value can be casted to a specified type, else it returns null. Var unbox value is equals to obj as int. If object can be casted to int, it will assign the integer value to variable unbox variable, else it will assign a null value to the unbox value. So here's the example. So thank you for watching this video. Which one to use? The as operator is preferred to use over is operator. The as operator involves only one casting operation to get the unbox value, whereas using the is operator casts the value twice, once to check if it can be cast, second to actually cast the object. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.